Now, if you have a Windows PC, make sure you try this that I'm about to show you in this video, because what I'm about to show you is going to help the life of your hard disk. Okay, if you're using a Windows PC, come to your laptop. Make sure you do this once or twice every month, because it's going to help scan your entire hard disk, okay, and check for file errors or if there's any bad section of your hard disk, and it's going to fix it automatically. So make sure you do this once or twice every month if you want to save the life of your hard disk. Now, let's go over to my system. Go to your system and click on search. Once you click on search, type CMD, which is command prompt. Okay, when you get to command prompt, don't click on enter, don't just open it. Use your mouse and go over the command prompt and right click on it. Once you right click on it, run as an administrator. Okay, click on yes, and once command prompt comes out, all you need to do is type chkdsk. Okay, chkdsk actually means check disk, which is check your hard disk, and tap enter. Once you click on enter, this is going to take a little while, a few seconds, as you guys can see, and scan your entire hard disk and check if there's any file system error or any section of your hard disk that is having any kind of issue, and is going to fix it automatically. So those of you that are having a slow system or some files cannot run or cannot be installed in your hard disk, please, this is one of the things that you have to try out on your Windows laptop. I'm not talking about Mac, I'm talking about Windows laptop. So you guys should make sure you try this once or twice every month, so that your system hard disk will be very healthy. And if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Kingsley, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates on new games and apps in the virtual reality space. So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you hit the subscription button and make sure the notification button is turned on, so that you will be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.